like you all to know that I can bark like a dog. And it is a gift. I guess. People at school like it, so I might as well share it. Here I go. Go.
Yes, I can bark like a dog. Sometimes it's funny. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's see how this goes. Ow!
Hi, I'm Caitlin, and I can bark like a dog. First person ever barked like a dog, totally. If you think you can beat me, try it. But you can't. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Abby. I can do a really weird trick. I can mimic the exact sound of bark that a dog makes. Most people think it's just a computer trick or it's a dog in the background, but I'm going to do it right now, right here, so you guys can all see, okay? One moment. See? It's me. So, now you know. Okay.
I have I don't know if you call it a talent or something, but I can bark and howl like a dog. So, here it goes. This is a wolf howl. Let's see, I've got a beagle. And let's see, German Shepherd. Okay. This is my puppy.
I have a confession. I can bark like a dog! Yeah, that was me. Believe it or not, I can bark like a dog. Would you like to hear? Just give the command, say bark. Yep, that was me. I know it sounds really very weird for a human to make barking sounds. It looks kind of weird because it looks like I'm making tiny little mouth movements and this huge sound comes out of my mouth. Seems kind of strange, right? Yeah, I know. But the thing is, dogs react to it, they think it's real, and that's pretty cool. It's like I can talk to dogs or something, but really I don't understand what they're saying or what I'm saying. So for all I know, I could be saying, go F yourself, or I love you, or where did you get that new dog toy? In dog language. So yeah, that's my little talent. And I'm sure there are plenty of other people with talents just like mine out there. So if you have one, feel free to post a video down below and you can share it to the rest of the world. And feel free to rate or comment on my video because I love barking. Barking is cool and it's fun, especially when dogs are around. So bark away, Margaret. Gotcha.